We're at it again today. Face look kind of skinny right. Anyways, we're on the Chrysler 300 with the infamous 3.6. It's in the Dodge Challengers, Chargers, Chrysler 300s, and even some of the Jeeps. Let me show you. 3.6 VVT, variable valve timing. So we're doing a no start issue here on the Chrysler 300. Looks like we have good juice on the battery as far as plugging it in. The battery is underneath the back panel down here. We're gonna check the voltage out now, see what we got. So we're looking at, yep, good voltage. So that's not gonna be the issue. Our next check is gonna be fuses and relays. So we're gonna put our test light on this stuff here. Make sure all the fuses are good. Actually got the vehicle on. I was holding this closer to the button, but I don't think that has much to do with it. It could be. So I'm gonna run another scan. See if we have anything pop up. Alright, so we got it on. Alright, so I believe the major issue had to do with the brake pedal. For some reason, it wasn't engaging. It wasn't engaging when we would turn to the on position. So pretty much what I did was I held the key fob really close to this, which I already knew that the key was in here, but what I did was I just held the brake down. I held the brake all the way down and left my foot on the brake. And I pressed the button one time. I just held onto the brake until it cut on. This is assuming that that it's not any fuse issue or something like that. So that's what we did.